Hello, my loves. We have unlocked a new location on the map. Moving to a new city in your 20s is such a roller coaster of emotions. I feel like on one hand, you're so incredibly excited to explore and discover the new city, and there's so much unknown. You don't know who you're going to meet, the opportunities. It just kind of paves your life, and you don't know where you're going to go or where it's going to take you. And that is the magic of it. That is the excitement, the beauty of it. But I also think wrapped up in that, there's also so much anxiety in a way, because unknown, it's kind of an unsettling place. But I feel also that the unknown is such a beautiful thing, and the unknown is also what makes it so exciting. Because if we knew every single page of our lives and every single chapter of our story, it wouldn't be interesting. And I know that for so many of us, we feel like if we make a mistake, if we take a risk and things go wrong, it's the end of the world. But our 20s is really a time to make mistakes, to take those big risks, and to do those things that our soul is craving and our gut is just bringing us towards. Know that it's okay to fail, because the worst thing that you can do is to never try. And that is the scariest thing of all to me. Not to say that there won't be challenges and there won't be things that you'll have to navigate. It's not just a one and done thing. Like life is crazy all the time. But I encourage you to take that risk. And I know that moving out to new cities and traveling, lots of solo travel, people on my channel, which I love. I'm going to make some videos soon about solo traveling tips. But I get DMs all the time about people asking me about solo traveling, and they're scared to do it. And now, moving out too, people are scared to move to new cities on their own. The scariest thing is to not take that risk. So that's my message for this morning. I am going to finish getting ready, just a little touch-ups, and then we're gonna head out. This is my fit for the day. I'm wearing my loafers, and I'm probably gonna put a little jacket on because it's kind of chilly, but the sun's out, so it's also kind of warm. But yeah, let's go head out.
She wears 5 rings, Bulgari watch, beer stains, lip ray, her lips are gloss, but she only talks to me when she's bored. She likes her boys tied up in knots like a necklace is from Saint Laurent, but I'm just the one she keeps in her drawer. Well, if I'm another trophy you forgot, and I wonder why I'm here at all. Is your love a lie? I believe it completely. Is your touch a knife? Cause you're cutting me deeply. It's all I am to you. Yet you will hate. If I let begin something resilient, would you throw me away? I'm just one of a million. It's all I am to you. Yet you will hate. She wears a crown of golden lace, the parts that she won't abdicate. She says you're mine, but don't call me yours. Am I a prize or a paperweight, collecting dust and stashed away? Her conquest and a pawn to ignore. So if I'm another trophy you forgot, you should know that I'm as good as gone. Is your love a lie? I believe it completely. Is your touch a knife? Cause you're cutting me deeply. It's all I am to you. Yet you will hate. If I let begin something resilient, would you throw me away? I'm just one.
Hello, you guys. I'm in Balboa Park right now. It is a beautiful sunny day. There's so many people out, and it is Saturday, so that's why so many people are out. I actually brought my sketchbook, so I do want to find a little spot to go sketch a little bit. The architecture here is so gorgeous, and I would love to do that. So let's go find a spot, and let me go grab my sketchbook because I think I left it in the car. I wanted to come out here and sketch because I saw so many artists on my explore page just like sketching in their sketchbooks, and it was so cute. Like, I love to see people journaling in that way. Like, I know a lot of people will sketch all their travels and journal visually instead of kind of writing it out. And I actually used to take a lot of art classes when I was younger, and that was just so much fun for me. And I just remember doing that, and I'm just like, okay, I need to do things that connect back to a time where I felt like it was so fun. With how busy our lives can be, I think it's so essential to make that time to really pour into your hobbies or things that really light you up and get your spark back. I feel like so many people are so scared to do things alone, but I encourage you to take yourself on that solo date. It is so nice and recharging, rejuvenating to be in solitude and have that time with yourself. I feel like all those times are very therapeutic for me, and as much as I do get energy from other people and I love talking to people and meeting new people, I just feel like it's so needed, and it's something that you totally should do. And it's just like a good skill to know how to spend time with yourself. Alright guys, I am about to go head out to a yoga class, and this is my little fit for it. Super cute. I'm gonna get a jacket. And it is outside. It's like kind of by the beach, so I'm gonna grab a jacket, and then I might go on a little run after because I feel like I get some energy out. So this is the jacket. I'm gonna just zip it up all the way. But yeah, it's cute. It has like these little thumb holes, which I love. You guys can see. Yeah, let's go head out. Hello guys, I am home now and I am making banana muffins. I'm gonna throw them in the oven. It's preheating right now, so I'm gonna make them really quick, and I feel like we're having a cozy night in right now. I'm gonna journal later and just chill because I'm pretty tired. Hello guys, the muffins secured in the oven right now, and they smell so good. I used to bake a lot more actually, but I haven't in a while, so I'm very excited. Honestly, I love baking because you can make things in such big batches and just kind of grab and go and eat it throughout the week, which I feel like is so convenient. And I also love baking at home instead of buying it. I just feel like the ingredients are so much cleaner, you know what's going in, and it's also just pretty therapeutic for me. I feel like it's very cozy and relaxing. So I'm probably gonna make a cup of tea right now, wait for these to come out the oven, and we'll try them.